One of the things that is in the Plan Nanaimo, the official community plan of our community, and the master plan for transportation and mobility is is to encourage that the cities should do everything it can to encourage people to walk and cycle rather than just driving their cars everywhere. And that all sounds good. Um, but one of the areas that has concerned me for some time is that every day at elementary schools all around the city, long lineups of cars come to pick up the kids that have been studying there during the day and in the afternoon, and they all come again in the morning to bring the kids there and to drop them off. So here's an opportunity that 30 or 40 years ago was a time when all the kids walked back and forth from their homes to the schools. It's interesting that Nanaimo has so many elementary schools because they are quite well distributed throughout the community. And it's partly because they are all walkable schools for most of the kids that attend them, and yet they're not walking. The parents feel the need to drive them much of the time. The high school kids mostly walk, but the elementary ones are getting driven. Why is that? So it strikes me that what we need are safe ways to walk back and forth from school. I mean, it's very good for the health of the kids that are walking back and forth. It's a lot easier on the parents if they don't have to drive them back and forth, interfering with their work or whatever. Um, but both the parents and the kids need to know that there are safe ways to do that. That means sidewalks along the busy streets. It means well-patrolled trails, perhaps. It means at least walking in groups so that you don't have isolated or individual kids that could possibly be picked off by someone. There are some dangers everywhere in North America, I guess, for kids who are walking back and forth to school. But it's something that we should try to remedy rather than replacing that opportunity to walk for those kids by carrying them back and forth in cars. It pollutes the environment, it increases traffic on the roads, and the kids don't get any exercise. So we need to do something about this. And again, when we have master plans and so on that say that we're trying to encourage pedestrian traffic, then we should make that mean more than just lip service. It should also be something that we actually try to do.